Welcome back to BetterAvecBourbon. Today we'll be making the, you guessed it, Corpse Reviver No. 2, a popular cocktail that, thanks to the name, gets extra popular this time of year. A piercing flavor bomb sharpened with lemon. For ingredients, you'll need lillet blanc, a bright fortified white wine, a dry or London dry gin, cointreau, our favorite orange liqueur, rich simple syrup for some balance, lemon juice to make it pop, and absinthe rinse for some added aroma. Gather all of your ingredients, and let's practice our necromancy. Starting off, grab your bar mat, and before anything else, get your coupe in the freezer as this will be served up. Then get your shaker tin, jigger, and start by adding a barspoon of rich simple syrup. And then it's equal parts from here, starting with 3/4 of an ounce of lemon juice, three-quarters of an ounce of lillet blanc, three-quarters of an ounce of cointreau, and 3/4 of an ounce of your dry gin. Add ice, and seal and shake for 12 seconds. Get your coupe out of the freezer, add a spritz of absinthe, and strain your cocktail into your deathly cold glass. And garnish with a lemon twist. And there you have the Corpse Reviver No. 2. Now let's give it a taste. Generous licorice and lemon on the nose, thanks to the lemon zest and licorice spritz. For taste, there's a generous brightness from the lemon that combines effortlessly with the citrus and floral notes from the lillet blanc and rounded out by the cointreau. The dry gin introduces botanicals and juniper that, along with rich simple syrup and the absinthe rinse, help to balance the palate. It's a bright cocktail that's sure to exercise your taste buds. Thanks everyone for watching. Do you have a favorite Halloween classic? Let me know down below. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more like it, hit that like button, press subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.